Hi, I'm Jack Rosetree, and this is Screentop 101. This is going to be a series focused on getting your game onto Screentop, some of the features, some of the basics. It's really going to be as to the point as I can make it. I'm not a programmer by any stretch, so it should be pretty accessible. For those of you that don't know, Screentop is a virtual tabletop platform that can be played through a browser. It is mostly free, and players can pick up pretty much any game that's listed on it. They can share the URL for the instance that they've created for that game, and then they can play it together, both over phone and in desktop. It is screen touch compatible, and it's a great tool for designers. I use it for pretty much all of my prototyping and playtesting. I suggest it to pretty much everyone. It's also a 2D environment, which is different from a lot of other tabletop environments that you'll deal with. That means that there are a few things that it can't do, but on the whole, it also means that it's a much lower drag on your system. You don't have to deal with physics interactions with things. There's just a lot of things about it that I really, really like. It's also fantastic for streaming because everything being two-dimensional means that your computer's not trying to send out really complex imagery as you're playing, and people can generally tell what you're actually showing. That's a lot of words to say. I really like it. So just to start off, the most essential thing, this is my user profile page. It's got me on it. It's got all of the games that I have built on Screentop. If I want to create a new game, I just click. If I want to create a new game, I just click create over here. It's going to create a new game with a random generated title. This is Untitled GEXN. I can click on that, and then I can play it, which there's just going to be an empty tabletop. I can edit it, which is how I add stuff to it, and then cloning is something that other people can eventually do to take the build and add it to their own profile so that they can mess with it. From there, I can write a description, I can add a photo, and then within the tools, I can set a website for it. If I wanted to link to something specific, I can set player counts, etc. I can set permissions. Right now, everything starts off as private. I can change it to public so other people can see and play it. It being private, I can still send links out. I can still share it. It just won't show up on the website or on my profile page. It tracks revisions, so if I do something really, really terrible and I need to undo it, I can go back, and then it allows me to delete it if I really decide that I don't want this build anymore. That's the basics of an individual game. Next, we're going to cover just getting into the game and some of the things that you can do when you get there.